New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, east central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Beechstown to near Lansdale, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Morristown, Somerville, Bridgewater, Ewing, Lansdale, Madison, Middlesex, East Norton, Princeton, Florham Park, East Hanover, Bound Brook, Manville, Chatham, Doylestown, Byram, Hatboro, Bedminster, and Washington. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 340 and 352, and between mile markers 354 and 357. Northeast Extension between mile markers 23 and 27. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 10 and 43. Interstate 195 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 60 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 9 and 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania.
Yep.